This coconut tres leches cake is one of the most delicious you'll ever try. It's soft, moist, and packed with coconut flavor. For the cake batter, here I have 6 egg whites, and we're gonna beat them until they're nice and fluffy. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. After about 4 minutes, they're ready. Now add the egg yolks, one at a time. Once the egg yolks are fully mixed in, add 225 grams of sugar and mix. Then add 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract and continue mixing. Once the batter is nice and smooth, sift in 135 grams of all-purpose flour and 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. I always like to sift the dry ingredients. It makes everything mixed together so much better. Once that's mixed in, add 50 grams of coconut flakes, give it a gentle mix, and set aside. Now I'm going to spray my 8x8 baking dish with some cooking spray. Pour in the cake batter and bake at 350 degrees for about 40 minutes. Meanwhile, for the tres leches mixture, I'm adding 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. Give it a good mix, then place it in the fridge so it stays nice and cold. It's been 40 minutes, the cake is ready, and we're gonna let it cool and then trim the top so it's nice and even. Next, poke holes all over the cake so it can absorb every bit of the milk mixture. Now it's time to pour on the tres leches mixture. How much you add is totally up to you, depending on how moist you like your cake. Now cover it with plastic wrap and place it in the fridge while we prepare the frosting. For the frosting, here I have 16 ounces of heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna beat on high speed. After about a minute, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of powdered milk, and half a cup of powdered sugar. Continue mixing on high speed, but be careful not to overmix it. After another minute, this is exactly how I like it, nice and fluffy. Now we can frost our cake, just like this. Then I like to finish it with some toasted coconut flakes. This is a perfect dessert for summer. It's light, super moist, and has that delicious tropical flavor everyone loves. All right, guys, now for the moment of truth. Cheers! You guys really need to try this cake. It's so delicious. For me, it's the perfect amount of salt. You can always add more of the tres leches mixture or less, whatever you decide. But you guys really need to try it. And it's also like not super sweet. It's like the perfect touch of coconut. It's delicious. And there you have it, delicious pastel tres leches de coco. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.